9 Cleansing foods that naturally detox your body. Detoxification is the process of cleansing, resting and nourishing your body from the inside out. This process promotes optimum health and protects your body from diseases. Detoxification is not a complex process. This can be done by adding detox foods into your diet. There are many detox foods that can help the liver keep your body clean and healthy and eliminate harmful toxins. 1. Apples. The fiber pectin helps to detox food additives and metals that have accumulated in your body over the years. Therefore, the saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" comes right back into play. 2. Avocado. Avocado provides glutathione and heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, a compound that helps block the absorption of certain fats by the intestines that can cause oxidative damage and is important for liver pathway cleansing. 3. Beetroot. Beetroot is known to be one of the most powerful foods to help detoxify the body. It contains pectin and betaine, which help protect the digestive system and liver. These chemicals can help cleanse the body, thus reducing the amount of toxins you may be carrying around. Also, it helps stabilize your blood's acid-alkaline balance, pH, which in turn supports healthy detoxification. This red and healthy vegetable is also a valuable source of magnesium, iron, calcium and zinc, which are all required for optimal elimination and detoxification. Also, the high amount of fiber in beetroot improves your digestion and helps the body to eliminate waste. 4. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are filled with antioxidants, which gives them the ability to stimulate detoxification enzymes at an unparalleled cellular level. The sprouts are more effective than the fully grown vegetable. 5. Carrots. Carrots are rich in glutathione, which make them one of the most powerfully detoxing vegetables. Also, they are filled with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which have cardiovascular benefits, and help in improving the immune function. 6. Garlic. Garlic is known to be one of the best detoxing foods. It helps stimulate your liver into producing detoxification enzymes that help filter toxic residues from your digestive system. You can add cooked or sliced garlic to a suitable dish, as it will help any detox diet. 7. Ginger. Ginger is also known to be one of the best detoxifying herbs. The compounds known as shogeols and gingerols present in ginger promote detoxification. This is achieved by speeding the movement of food through the intestines. In turn, this helps remove the harmful toxins and waste from the liver, colon and other organs. Also, ginger is beneficial to your liver, most especially if you are suffering from a fatty liver that is caused by drinking too much alcohol. One of the best ways to benefit from ginger's detoxifying property is by drinking ginger tea. You can prepare the tea by steeping 2 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger in a cup of hot water for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Also, you can add freshly grated ginger to salad dressings, or extract the juice of fresh ginger root along with other green vegetables. 8. Green tea. Green tea is higher in antioxidants than black, white and oolong teas, even though they all come from the same plant. The caffeine content in green tea also gives this energizing drink a diuretic effect. This helps to alleviate bloating by counteracting water retention. 9. Lemon. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. It is a known powerful detoxifying fruit. The great amount of vitamin C present in lemon is required by your body to make a compound known as glutathione. Glutathione helps the liver in its detoxification process. Also, though acidic in nature, lemon has an alkaline effect on your body, which in turn helps restore your body's pH levels. Lemon acts as a natural energizer that helps in fighting some of the symptoms of toxic buildup in your body. It also helps the digestive system in its process of waste elimination. You can squeeze the juice from half lemon into a glass of warm water, then drink it daily every morning on an empty stomach. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.